Hey guys, it's Earl and this is a review of the Anker Powerline II lightning cable. What I have here is a 3 feet wide version from the Powerline II series, which I would say is the best option to replace frayed Apple lightning cables with respect to its price and durability ratio. By the way, this also comes with an 18-month warranty if you ever happen to break the cable. It comes with a Velcro small enough to tame the whole cable when wrapped from end to end as seen here. The Velcro strength, however, has started to weaken after 5 months of usage. But worry not, cause it is a completely different story for the cable. The cable itself is thicker than the standard Apple Lightning cable. Not only is it thicker, it is also stiffer and feels way sturdier. I've been using it everywhere, every day, mostly on the go with the Asus ZenPower power bank, which I will also make a review about. So this cable goes through bending, yanking, and stretching multiple times a day. And just look at that Apple Lightning cable that went through the same ordeal. So I guess that is a testament of what this Anker cable has experienced in its 5 months of service. In terms of charging and data transfer speed, I have not noticed any difference in both aspects. And as far as my research goes, Anker Lightning cables are all MFI certified, meaning they meet the standards and thus should allow the maximum charging and data transfer speed that the particular device is capable of. Anker has a variety of lightning cables that differs in some factors but mainly durability. The cheapest and consequently the weakest is the standard series cable worth $6. Going up, you get the Powerline for $10, followed by the Powerline II for $12, which is exactly what we have right here, then followed by the Powerline Plus for $14, and ultimately the Powerline Plus 2 for $16, which most likely will be the last lightning cable you'll ever buy because that is unbreakable. With all that being said, make sure you're getting the one that fits your needs and of course your budget. I've put the links on the description box, so make sure to check it. So that's all for this supposedly short video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.